super pretty fall sign using a placemat and a pizza pan. I know, crazy. Hey, everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy. If you didn't know, and if you did, thanks again so much for coming back. All right, so we're going to start with a Dollar Tree pizza pan, and we're going to paint just the outer part. This is the back with chalk paint. And then I do the front, I dab it with the same chalk paint. Perfect. Then I take a splatter screen and I trace it around our placemat. It's actually the same size as the back of our pizza pan. So we cut it out. There we go. Then we're going to put some Mod Podge on the back of that placemat. And then I'm going to put it on the back of our pizza pan. And then I'm going to roll. I'm just using a brayer to get all the bubbles out. Now here I'm using a crocodile. You guys always ask about my crocodile. It is one of the best things I've ever done. It's punches holes in metal and wood and plastic. It's amazing. I did one. I'm just punching holes to for a hanger, but you'll see here there's two different size holes with the crocodile. There's a big one and see a little one, but I needed both to be big, so I just flip it around into the big one again. I added a jute hanger, just knotted both sides and trimmed the edge. The end. Man, my brain is working weird today. All right, so then I have this garland. My sister with Berkshire Pickers gave it to me, and we're just going to remove all the greenery, and it came with some pumpkins. We're just going to pull all that off. I'm going to measure it against my pizza pan and see, obviously how long it is, and we trim the excess. Perfect. All right, cooking with gas now. So then we're going to add some hot glue, and we're going to put our garland down, and you're going to have to hold it for a hot second. Depending on how hot your glue is, obviously you're going to have to hold it for longer. But you're going to do this all the way around your pizza pan. Look at how it almost looks like a nest. I love it so much. It's so pretty. Oh. All right. And then if you notice that you have a few spaces where you can still see the pizza pan underneath, all I did was take a few of, this is just the piece that I cut off. I'm just taking a few pieces, twisting them together, and then putting some glue where you see how you can see the end of that placemat. So I just took a few pieces, twisted them, put some glue down, and then put that on top. Used my little finger protector to make sure that it really got adhered. But we just do that wherever you notice that there's, a space that looks a little sparse, or if you can see the placemat underneath, like if there's a line or whatever, or if you just want it to look thicker, it's fine. Either way. And I did that a couple places. Again, be mindful. It is hot glue, and I would encourage you to use a finger protector because I have hurt myself many a times. It is not fun. Anyway, so there's that. And once the glue's dried, you can obviously let your finger up. There we go. I just press it down just to make sure that it's all adhered. And then I take some drop cloth. I got it at Home Depot, just strips of it, and I tore it and crisscross applesauce, tie it in the center with some jute, put some glue on the back, and we glue it to the very top. And oh my lordy, look at how cute. It's super simple, yes, but are you kidding me? Look at how pretty this is. Super country. Oh, I just love it. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.